Mr. Friedman, can you please explain to people watching this video what you were suffering from when you came into our office for the first time?
I had a very bad right knee. The left knee had been replaced about 9 years ago, and I knew it was only a question of time. 3 years ago, I went to a surgeon, and when I asked him how long I've got, he said, well, I've got bone-on-bone contact, and I'll know when it's time. Sure enough, approximately 2 months ago, I knew it was time to have it replaced. I had seen Dr. Zuckerman's advertisement that he could help me repair the knee without surgery. And as a Hail Mary, I decided to follow up. And essentially, that's why I'm here as a patient of Dr. Zuckerman right now.
Can you explain to people what your right knee would stop you from doing or slow you down from doing?
I could not sleep. The pain level, which was probably between 7 or 8 to 10, and I can tolerate significant amounts of pain, meant that I couldn't walk on it. I needed to use a cane. Whatever functions I could do that I so much loved, gardening and whatever, were just impossible at that particular point.
And can you explain to people how long you've been under care, please, and what type of results you've seen so far?
After the initial consultation, I've now been with Dr. Zuckerman for approximately 1 month's worth of treatment, and quite frankly, the results are more than phenomenal. The pain factor that I had, which was so great, disappeared after the first level of treatment. My cane sits in the car. I haven't touched it in weeks at
I
this particular point.
That makes me so happy hearing that.
Only that, and I love golf. This morning I was there on the golf course, putting and chipping. I can't do much further until I get some additional instructions from my professionals.
But you want to know something? Would you ever think when I first met you that you'd be golfing in a month?
Forget it. I was just hoping that as a result of this, I wouldn't have to go under the knife. And at this particular point, I don't even think about it.
Absolutely amazing. I love you. I love the story that you're sharing. Do you have any message you'd like to send out to anybody watching this video?
Try this Hail Mary. It's phenomenal.
Thank you, Mr. Friedman.
If you reached a point where you just think that there is no help that is possible, there is somebody else to come to, and it was really worked for me.
Thank you so much for sharing your story. I love the results that you've gotten so far, and it's only going to get better. Thank you, Mr. Friedman.
You're welcome.